Hi everyone. Now we are going to know about improving the performance of logs analysis using Amazon CloudWatch logs field indexes. For this demo, I have deployed a sample PetSet application in my AWS account using CloudFormation. As you can see in my account, there are several stacks that are deployed for making the application up. And this is the application architecture. As you can see, there are several components in the application: containers, EC2, databases, storage services, and load balancers. So if I wanted to debug a particular issue that is happening in the production, the way I would do is I will be logging into Amazon CloudWatch log console, and I'll be searching for the appropriate logs. So in my CloudWatch, I'll be checking for the log groups, and maybe if there is an issue with my Lambda, then I'll be picking the log group and I'll be searching for the logs. Or the better way is to run the queries on my log group. So here in the logs insights, I can choose the appropriate log group and I can run the query on my logs. So in this particular demo, what I would do is I have a query where I wanted to run against a particular filter. So in this particular instance, I have Kubernetes.service name as the filter, and I have the value as AWS load balancer webhook service. So we can do pick the appropriate log group, or I can even search for all the log groups. In this particular instance, let's say I'm just having this query and running against all the log groups. So what I would do is I will be entering the query, I'll be picking the all log groups, and I'll be running the query. And as you can see, this particular query has run across several records, and it has scanned over 166,000, and total megabytes scanned is 153. So whenever we are running this particular filter, it is searching for all the logs in all the log groups. And I would have to pay for the same amount of logs that are getting scanned. So in order to improve the performance of logs as well as saving the cost for the customers, we have launched the feature of field indexes. So the way to do it is you can navigate into the Discord fields on the right, and you can choose create field indexes. Here we'll be creating a field index policy. And since we are searching against that particular field called Kubernetes.service name, I can give the sample name as service name k8s. And I'll pick this particular field to be applied across all the log groups, and I'll be applying the field path. So since I'm applying the filter on the Kubernetes.service name, I'm entering the same thing as field path, and I'll choose create. So now what happens is all the logs are now indexed for this particular field. So whenever there is an occurrence of Kubernetes.service name, I have the index applied to that particular log line. Now with the fields index in place, let's run the same query where we are using the same filter, which was our logs field index field path. And I'll pick the all log groups. And behind the scenes, actually in my application, there is a load runner that is running, which is generating the traffic. So I'll choose the all log groups with the same filter, and I will run the query. Now you can see in the results, there is a new item that is getting present, which is powered by field indexes. So when I click the information icon, you can see it has skipped over 2,554 records, and it has skipped 1.9 megabytes. Since the application has just started, as the time proceeds, you can see there are a lot of records that will be getting skipped, as well as the data that will be getting skipped. Overall, actually with the field indexes for our logs insights query, we are saving significant amount of data scanning, thereby reducing our CloudWatch logs costs. So for your application, what I would recommend is try to identify the common patterns in your logs insights, and maybe index them, thereby you can save significant amount of cost for your logs insights run. Thanks for watching.